Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. Today I have a special video for you and you're going to get a 2-for-1. First off, I'm going to take you through the first initial build that I did for my beautiful Barbie Extra doll, who we call in the Dollhouse Renee. And at the end of the video, you're going to get to see our holiday upgrade. As you know, the Curated Dollhouse is always changing, and even in this build, we had some little extras we wanted to add for you. Hope you enjoy. Bye. It's Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. Today we're going to focus on our Christmas build dollhouse, and I had just so happened to pick up this 5-pack of extra dolls and fell in love with this doll and wanted to give her a super cute makeover, and in real true Dollhouse Curator fashion, also create an apartment for her. But I really wanted this one to have a Christmassy theme, so after figuring out the formation and adding lights behind the supporting walls, went out to our local dollar stores and we picked up some crafting supplies and started decorating the dollhouse. Here we put lights in the bedroom, as well as we took this really cute kind of sparse Charlie Brown Christmas tree and added some red bulbs to it just to give it a very simple, elegant upgrade. We created some potted plants and some window coverings for the dollhouse that were all kind of glittery and festive, and I created some smaller ones because I wanted to have a different look on bigger windows, which is where we put these, and they're super cute, and the lighting in the dollhouse really focuses on them. We also created some bigger ones so that they could go across longer windows, and a fireplace and TV, which just made the dollhouse so super cozy. Here we have a Target tree that we added a bulb to, and we created some cheap pipe cleaner kind of tinsel around the windows and in some other areas of the dollhouse, as well as some Frankenstein together pieces like this flickering bush. But the dollhouse turned out to be super cute, and we cannot wait to continue to add to it. And here is another picture of this fabulous fireplace, and we hope you will come back to visit the Curated Dollhouse once again. Bye.